Hello and welcome. My name is Fikile. We meet again in another lick, and I'm playing in the key of B flat again. Now I want to show you the use of the octave from here. B flat. Do re mi fa. Do re mi fa. Okay. And now if I go backwards. Do ti la sol fa mi. Now I got re, do, re, do. Okay. Okay. I want to make use of that, and I'm using this chord here, which is so it goes. Okay, that's the lick there. So let's start again. So that's the lick there. Now the way the lick goes is you first use the top part of the fret. So you go to the sixth straight away. This fifth and then the fourth. So then third. Then root. Okay. Then another fifth there. So these are the fifth. It's an octave to that. Okay. So you do another one. This chord here is the fifth chord of that, which is F, fifth of B flat. Okay. You can finish it on B flat. Okay. Okay. The other part, which is okay. Now that this part goes. Does all the other things, and then it goes to the seventh, then it slides to the third, back to the second, then to the root. You can also use the 50 as a variation. Okay, so now to resolve that, you have resolved it. Can do a vibrato. A vibrato here. Vibrato is when you shake the string or the knot. Okay, so now you need that slide from. So listen to that slide, which happens on this. Okay. That it defines your sound. So this slide here, I'll talk about some guitar techniques, and this type of slide is a slide that just takes off at any point. It doesn't have a target note, but I'm targeting this note though to strike it, not to end it on a slide, but to strike it. So the slide ends somewhere there, and then note that it's different. It goes. just like a quick slide, and then it takes off from the string. The finger takes off from the string, and then you jump to the B flat. So okay, learn that vibrato there. To simply do a simple vibrato, just strike a note and shake a little bit. Do some horizontal motions like that. You know those motions, man. With your second finger. Okay. So this horizontal. I'll show you the other different types of vibrato, but in this case. Okay, thank you very much. My name is Vukile. I urge you to practice these licks because when you put them together, you're gonna create a very great solo. Or you use the idea from this lick, just transpose the key to what you want. My guitar here is a Spirit Steinberg. In this, it's got 24 frets. Sometimes you won't be able to play some licks that I play here because you have 22 frets here, or even 19 frets if you want. But all you need to do is to transpose the song into a key that is playable on your guitar. My name is Vukile. I'll meet you in the next tutorial. Cheers. Bye.